Hi, I will present my mind map or my conceptual map for the lessons in English. Um, the first item is personal information about my life, about my work, and my family. For example, I write my years old, and I am journalism student. My address. I have two kids, for example, and my work. In the same unit, I learn the present simple in the three form: in negative form, affirmative form, and interrogative form. For example, I write some some sentences for explain. In affirmative form is, for example, I cook, or I write, or maybe I play. And in negative form, I utilize don't, do. If, for example, for say something in my first pronoun is I don't, and for you is you don't, and for example in we don't is the same for the all the pronouns, personal pronouns. And for interrogative form, the first I need to write, the first is do, and after is personal pronouns, and then is the action. And the second item is for example is in present continuous. Present continuous is verb to be plus ing for all the verb. And for example, in the three forms, negative, affirmative, and interrogative form, I write sentences, short sentences, for explain. For example, I'm not doing that. Or for example, she isn't going home until Monday. Is the action, the verb is plus ing, and the same verb. And the three lessons in English is where are you from, is the and questions. But we have three form too. I write three form for more sample. And negative, affirmative, interrogative form. For example, in the same do, I can say I didn't play tennis, or she didn't play tennis, and they didn't play tennis. It's the same. Didn't is the same for all the personal pronouns. In the affirmative form, I in this case I can utilize the verb in id in the final. For example, I played tennis, or maybe she played tennis, and they played tennis. Is the same final, in the same verb, the same final, and for all the pronouns, personal pronouns. And the interrogative form, the first is write did, or for talk, I need to say did after a personal pronoun, and then the verb, and the last word is the expression or the action. And for me, in the three lessons in English, is very important learn the vocabulary. The vocabulary is very important because some short expression is very clear for talk and for write too. For example, free time, years old, at home, take care, I'm sorry, hello, see you soon, see you later, and the first lesson. And the second lesson, how are you? Thank you, you are welcome, yes, not, excuse me, and the different case. And the three vocabulary is a special vocabulary because it's for the flight when we travel. And the airport, for example, airport terminal, check-in, departure lounge, gate, immigration, passenger security, etc. This is my my map. My name is Claudia Muñoz Acosta. See you soon.